Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I love my little elf. These to me, and also Allison from Gilly the Monsters channel said the same thing. It looks like an elf that if you were out in the woods and you saw running across, you wouldn't be surprised at the looks. I love it. It just looks like an elf in the wild. I got this doll for the monthly elf challenge that J Dolls UK, Penny from Penny's Playful Reborns, Tina from Tina's Reborns and More, and Dory's Dollies and I do each month. I just really liked her. I thought she was different, and I had seen her on Joni's Stop Motion Creations. She didn't come in this outfit after I got her. Joni asked, could she send me a Happy Mail? I love this. But it wasn't just this. She sent some Blythe outfits too. Oh, can't believe it. So cute. I got another Happy Mail from Joni. And I want to open it ever so carefully. These are not my normal scissors. These are actually my good scissors. But I can't find my other. I say my good. These are like the ones I use over here on the counter when I make tights or something and I'm cutting around the stitches. Small crafts. So here I am wrecking them up. Okay. Oh, that did not open it. Okay, here we go. Let me take it this direction. If you have not seen Joni's channel, Joni's Stop Motion Creations, you are honestly missing out. Not only is she fantastic at stop motion, I mean spot on, but her dolls are incredible. She has different dolls and tiny. She has a BJD that must be this big. I mean, he's so cute, and they have the cutest names. My favorite is Spiller. And let's see what she sent. Woohoo! Who doesn't love Happy Mail? This is a hug in an envelope. Oh, wow. Oh, I love that fabric. Does that not look like what a woodland elf would wear? Oh my goodness, I love this. When Joni sent this, she said after to me when she saw it on my elf, how big is your elf? Evidently, these little elves come in 12-inch and 8-inch, and hers is 12-inch, and she thought the outfit looks too big. I think it looks perfect. I really do. I like it. I think it's really cute. But let's try this one on. Oh, Joni. Oh, I love this. I mean, oh, I love that fabric on her. It's like it was made for her. This is so cute. I cannot thank you enough. I think both are equally as cute on this little elf. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Joni. If you haven't watched Joni's channel, I also want to say one other thing. She dresses her dolls so cute, and the accessories and items that she sets up in her backgrounds and stories, it's incredible. She is worth your subscription. Go subscribe to her channel and watch. You will love it. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.